Okay, I'm going to show you a handout that with step-by-step instructions on how to complete and upload your first writing assignment, which is a writing assessment. First, you need to log into your Moodle page, and here we are. When you are logged into your page, scroll down to week 1. This is the first section of our Moodle page, and then you have week 1 right here. Usually, things that you need to do are going to be tied to these links here each week. So first, I'm going to open the handout. And we are going to follow the instructions there. So once you have logged in to your Moodle page for the course, go to the active link in week 1, upload writing assessment due Sunday, June 29 at 11:55. So I go back to the Moodle page and I'm going to click here. And this is going to take me to this section with some instructions and also with the place where I will add my file here. So we have some instructions and let's follow them in the handout. So number 2 here is follow the instructions that are here in the assignment section. And the first one is watch the video under the section to think critically on the first section of our Moodle page. It's the same instructions you have here. Watch the video under the section to think critically on the first section of our Moodle page. So I am going to go back there and go back to Moodle first section, and here it is, to think critically. So you need to watch this video and so there you have it. Okay, you watch your video, go back, right? You can either go back to your upload to your assessment section, and then it says click on the link, click here to watch a video on definition essays. So you can click either directly from here, from your document, or you can click on the link in the instructions. And that's what I will do. And there you have so there you have your video there. You watch it, take notes always if you need to, or you can revisit that video as well. So it is up to you how you do the work. So we are back and I'll continue with the handout instructions. After you have watched the videos, you're asked to write a one-page extended definition of what you understand critical thinking is. So that's what you need to do. The instruction is also here. And once you complete your writing, you need to save your file. And here, number 5 in the handout, you have save your definition essay and use only Word documents. Use 12-point font and double space. And here you have also your instructions here on how to save the file. Here you have the way that you should save it, and it's also an example here. In my case, will be my last name, the underdash, and the name of the assignment. So in step number 6, it tells you upload your essay by clicking on the add submission button. So I go back here and I click on the add submission button. And this is what it appears here. You can drag and drop your file here if you want to, or you can also, as it says here, number 7, step number 7 of the handout, click on the Add option in the upper left corner of the window to choose your file of the essay from your computer. So I will go here to Add, and I'm going to then follow the instruction number 8 here. It says click on the Browse button to select the file and select your file. So I'm going to click on Browse here, and I have my file selected, and I can double click there, or I can press here and open. And then step number 9 tells you click on the Upload this file button. This is what I will do, upload this file button, and then we have it there. Then number 10 tells you click on the Save Changes button. This is important because if you don't do that, your file might not be uploaded. So I click on the Save Changes and scroll down to see. So I have submitted my file for rating. And number 11 here on the handout says, alternatively, you can drag and drop the file to the space in the window with the blue arrow pointing down and follow steps 9 and 10 of this list. So that's what I said before. Yeah, there are many ways of doing things usually, but these are two. And now if you have uploaded the wrong file or a file you didn't finish and there's a problem, you can also edit your submission. So don't panic. As long as you're doing it before the due date, it should be okay. So you can do that, and let's just see what happens. Edit submission, and I go back, and then you have here, you can actually then select the file and you can delete it, for example, if you wanted to. Okay, and so you can update, and usually you will delete. I will delete here, so I could actually say, are you sure you want to delete this file? Yes, it wasn't the correct one, so you delete it. And then you save changes to make sure that the file is not there anymore, and you go back and do the whole thing again and come and submit what you need to do. So I'll do it again. Go browse, get your assessment, say this is the correct one, double click, and then upload this file. And there it is. And you always remember to save changes. So this is what you need to do to upload documents in general, and here you also have extra instructions for your essay.